So integration of arc sine x squared. Okay, so this is integration by parts. You can tell you can't do it by integration by substitution, because if you let arc sine of x equal to u, right, which is the only really possible substitution, you get 1 over 1 minus x squared. Okay, square root of 1 minus x squared. That's not seen anywhere here. Okay, so let's let u equal to arc sine of x, and we gotta let u be the entire squared, right? Because if you don't do that, you have to let dv equal to arc sine as well, and we don't know how to find the antiderivative of that. Okay, so we're gonna let dv equal to just dx. So du then is 2 arc sine of x times by 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. Of course, then v is equal to x. Okay, so integration by parts, u times v, so we get x times by arc sine of x squared, okay, minus 2 times, so I'm multiplying this with this first, so 2 times x arc sine of x on top first, all over 1 minus x squared. Okay, despite the fact that it looks uglier now, the derivative of arc sine is somewhere on the equation, so we can try substitution. Okay, so let's let u equal to, right, arc sine of x, then you get du is equal to this. Okay, but we still have an x here. Okay, we still have an x there. So from the original substitution, you can see that the x then, right, using the definition of inverse function, x will be sine of u. So, okay, let's convert everything to u now. Okay, so x is equal to sine of u, so you have sine of u. Okay, and this is all u, right? So we let this whole thing, this thing here be u, and dx over this is du. Okay, so we have that. So u sine u, this is a simple integration by parts again. So we actually have to do integration by parts one more time. Okay, so let's let u equal to, I'm going to call it a, and db be sine of u du. Okay, so du is equal to dA then. Okay, so then b is equal to minus cosine of u. Okay, so let's multiply these two. You get minus u cosine of u. Okay, and then you get, it's minus of a minus because that minus right there, so it's plus integration of cosine of u du. Okay, so x arc sine x squared, if you expand this minus 2 in, you get plus 2. So remember, u was equal to arc sine of x, and replace u with arc sine of x, right? Cosine of arc sine of x, right? That's going to be a sine u, so sine of arc sine of x. Okay, so that's going to equal to x, right? So sine composed by its inverse is just going to be x. Okay. Okay, so this expression right here can also be converted into all in terms of x. Okay, so arc sine of x means a right angle triangle on an angle which gives for sine ratio x, so x over 1, which makes this right here 1 minus x squared. Right, so the cosine of the same angle, right? Cosine of the same angle, this right here I'm saying is theta, is root of, okay, root of 1 minus x, x squared, sorry, x squared. That should be a square there. Okay, so the rest of it, let's leave it alone. So it's arc sine of x like that.